Ripple native token XRP is one of the cryptocurrencies that investors are looking forward to a bullish run in the midst of the current crypto winter. Ripple has positioned itself to be adopted as a result of the increased interest in central bank digital currency, CBDC, and the private ledgers and low-cost cross-border payments it offers through its project RippleNet. According to recent reports, Morocco's largest bank, Attijari Wafa Bank, has partnered with Ripple to promote frictionless payments to its customers using the XRP coin. Would these and other upcoming developments make XRP a viable investment in 2022? What is Ripple, XRP, and how does it work? Ripple is a privately held fintech company that uses its patented Ripple Network payment network to provide a global payment solution. Furthermore, RippleNet is a payment network built on top of Ripple's XRP ledger consensus ledger. Ripple also contributed to the development of the open-source XRP ledger. Ripple is a privately held Silicon Valley tech behemoth that, through its proprietary Ripple Network payment network, provides a global payment service that reaches both the wealthy and the unbanked. XRP is the native token of Ripple. RippleNet is a global network that improves financial transactions by using an open-source consensus ledger that is maintained by independent validators for a modest cost. Ripple's technical aspects: XRP, within the XRP ledger, transactions can be executed in as little as 3 to 5 seconds. This is in contrast to the Bitcoin network, which has hefty mining fees before transactions can be processed due to its proof-of-work system. Banks, universities, individuals, private payment providers, and cryptocurrency exchanges are among the Ripple node validators. Furthermore, users will not be able to spend the same quantity of cryptos more than twice with XRP. This is due to the fact that the system first identifies the transaction and then deletes all subsequent data. Ripple's operation is also based on the use of gateways. In addition, the gateway acts as a trust middleman between two parties who want to complete a transaction. Banks, in particular, serve as entry points. Furthermore, Ripple's design is identical to that of the SWIFT global fast payment system. Do you think XRP will be a profitable crypto in 2022 now that we have a better understanding of it? Join me in this XRP price analysis and XRP price prediction as we look at the charts. Furthermore, the current circulating supply of XRP is 47.66 billion XRP. Binance, Wobi Global, OKEx, FTX, Gate.io, Kraken, and Mandala Exchange are currently the top cryptocurrency exchanges for XRP. Let's move on to the next section of our XRP technical analysis for the year 2022. Price forecast for Ripple, XRP. In 2022, Ripple is now ranked 8th on CoinMarketCap. Will the recent XRP blockchain upgrades, development, and modifications, however, allow the cryptocurrency price to rise? The bottom curve of the Keltner channel signals for XRP is already touching the last candlestick, indicating that the next price rise is approaching. This indicates that the current price decline in Ripple, XRP, is coming to a conclusion, and a bullish run is on the way. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, of Ripple, XRP, chart is at 31.31, indicating that it is approaching the undervalued or oversold value of 30, which is typically reached before a price reversal that leads to an uptrend. Price prediction for Ripple, XRP. In 2022, the price of Ripple, XRP, has dropped in recent days, as shown in the chart below. Furthermore, the price of XRP has dropped by 7.2% in the last 24 hours. If this trend continues, XRP may turn bearish, breaking through support 1 at $0.5833 and falling further. If investors turn optimistic on cryptocurrencies, the bulls may seize control and elevate XRP to an uptrend position. In layman's terms, the price of XRP might drop to almost $0.2017, signaling a bearish trend. Meanwhile, we have a positive long-term XRP price projection for 2022. It has a good chance of breaking through its current all-time high, ATH, of $3.84 this year. That will only happen if it overcomes many of the psychological barriers it has built up over the years. It can also be seen that if the current bearish trend is continued until a position on or around support 1, a double bottom may emerge. If this occurs, it is likely that the price of XRP would rise to at least resistance 4, giving buyers a near 50% profit. XRP, on the other hand, could soon reverse and trade between the resistance floor price of $0.9065 and the support price of $1.9617. Price prediction for Ripple, XRP, ADX. Let's take a look at the average directional index for Ripple, ADX. The ADX, in particular, aids traders in determining the strength of a trend as opposed to its direction. It can also be used to see if the market is shifting or if a new trend is about to start. The ADX rating for XRP is 33.52, indicating a strong recent trend because it is between 20 and 40. The moving average, MA, of the Ripple is also given in the chart above. XRP is now on a bullish trend. The XRP 50-day MA is currently below the 200-day MA, long-term, indicating that it is entirely bullish. As a result, there's a good chance that the trend will reverse at any point. Price prediction for Ripple, XRP. In 2023, XRP will hit $5 by the end of 2023 if the current positive trend continues. Furthermore, growth will be rapid in the first half of 2023, reaching $7. After that, the rise will slow down, but no significant drops are forecast. With current and planned partnerships and innovations, hitting $5 is a bit of a stretch in terms of price, but it's certainly doable in the near future. Price prediction for Ripple, XRP. In 2024, if XRP can firmly hold the support level around the 200 mA or long-term moving average of 200 days, purchasers will have plenty of time and stability to create the next attack mission on the crucial level at $10, ensuring that it does not plummet but continues to play continuously. Price prediction for Ripple, XRP. In 2025, according to the platform's newest improvements, innovations, XRP price projection, and new project estimates, XRP investors can expect a slew of collaborations and integrations by 2024. Furthermore, this might increase the price of XRP in the crypto market, making it a good investment because the price could rise to approximately $15. Price prediction for Ripple, XRP. In 2026, XRP prices could reach $30 in the next 4 years. However, XRP may not have a tough time hitting this level if additional medium, short-term, and long-term price objectives for purchase or sell orders can be established. According to the forecast, XRP has a good chance of achieving a new all-time high in the next 5 years. Conclusion: in 2022, Ripple has a bright future ahead of it. With the current changes in the XRP ecosystem, as well as the overall crypto market, we could see XRP reach new all-time highs. $1.9617 is the bullish XRP price projection for 2022. As previously stated, it may even reach $10 in 2022 if investors decide that XRP, along with popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, is a smart investment, as most cryptocurrencies follow the Bitcoin trend. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.